Hi there. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how we can download various types of DEM using plugin in QGIS. So first of all, I'll show you in very easy way. I'll show you also how we can install this plugin. So first of all, I'll add this map, Google Earth map, in my map canvas. So this is my map canvas. I'll download SRTM DEM for my study area. So you can change your study area like this. This is my study area, okay, in this map canvas. So now go to OpenTopography, this tool, and double click here, DEM downloader, OpenTopography DEM downloader. Now see various types of DEM are available like SRTM 90 meter, 30 meter, SRTM GL1, then Olos wall 3D 30 meter, various size of DEM are available. NASA DEM, Global DEM, right? So I'll download SRTM 30 meter DEM and define extent to download. You can use your study area also, okay? Like I'll use here, use map canvas extend, and this is my code. So I'll show you how you can access this code and I'll save it. This is for YouTube tutorial. So I'll save it here. DEM YouTube. Here SRTM 30 meter. Just save it and run it. It will be downloaded as per my canvas. It's not required to merge all the style. Okay, see, it's done. Close this and go to layer. See, it's done. Zoom to layer. This is my DEM I have downloaded. You can download the large area also. This is for training purpose. That's why I have shown here the small one. You can download the large area. So now I'll show you how we can install this plugin. So go to this plugin option, manage and install. Then see this plugin, OpenTopography DEM downloader. Okay. If we uncheck this, uninstall this plugin first, then I'll reinstall again. So what to do? We need to install this plugin. Is done. Then we have to go here the home page here. Then in this home page, we have to visit their official website for access the API key. Let's go to there. API key for access. No need to log in for USGS Earth Explorer website. Now here we need to create our account. So go to my account, and I have account, but I'll show you how we can create it. Just go to create new account. I'll use one email ID like, then your first name, then last name. This is not mandatory or seat ID. If you have, then you can use it. Then you can select from here. She is from academia. Then organization, from which academia? University of North Bengal. Basic information we need. Then we have to create password. Okay, so remember that you should write your password also, like I'm creating password, capital letter, then a small letter, then special character, then number. Similarly, we have to confirm this password. Then we have to accept terms and condition, then submit it. After submitting, you will get mail. Check my mail ID. See, I got this mail from OpenTopography activation. So we need to confirm or re-verification. Okay, so already I have account. I'll use now, yeah, this account. Done, and select login. Then you can save it. Now click on this API key, select on get an API key, then request API key. This is my new API key. You can copy this and go to here, close this, click on this OpenTopography DEM downloader, then OpenTopography DEM downloader. We need to paste here. Okay, we need to paste here SRTM DEM, then map canvas, or you can draw the map in canvas. Select it, then it will be downloaded SRTM DEM as per my map canvas. So you can add your study area, then you can download the whole study area map. See, this is done. This way we can download SRTM DEM using QGIS, using OpenTopography plugin. Thank you for watching this tutorial.